Alright, what's up y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 different variations on how you can do a bicep curl. Now today I'm going to be using these rusty dumbbells. Now it goes to show that you don't need fancy equipment in order to build some nice
biceps.
Okay, so you don't need a gym, you don't need all that stuff. If you have a pair of rusty dumbbells, don't even have to be rusty, you can build all types of muscle. So, with that said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Roll the intro.
Go bottoms in my mouth, 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 go my mouth, go bottoms in my mouth, It's about to go down. It's about to go down. About to go down. Go bottoms in my mouth, 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 Go bottoms in my mouth,